Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another OwenDaSavageGamer Randoms, where we do randoms. So let's get right into it. Now in this video, I will be unboxing a brand new headset. I did buy one, because, well, my other headset kind of, broke a little bit. So yeah, we ordered this 2 days ago, so yeah, we're going to go ahead and give it a try. Now, it's still in the package it came in, so we're going to go ahead and unbox this thing, first impression of the packaging and everything. Let's see. Let's get this opened. We'll just throw it on the ground. I don't have too much room up here. Alright. Taking it out. And boom. Look at this. Look at this. The box comes pretty good condition. It's a little bit... It's not too bad in condition. It's pretty good. It's about the condition as you would find in, like, a store or something. Not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, looks pretty good. So the name of this is Parcrate. I'm saying that correctly. And we will be seeing this on Amazon like usual. It is a GH1. You guys see in the corner right there. And yeah, it's got a USB connection. It's got glittering lights. It's got deep bass, 120 microphone going up and down. It's got a soft leather ear pads. And also easy volume adjust. So I like those volume adjust things. I'm very, very particular. So the model is GH1, like I said. The diameter is 5 millimeters. The sensitivity is 115 decibels. That's pretty good. And the frequency range is 20 hertz. That's pretty good. Of course, it's got like a caution thing on the side there. There's all the stats there. And now it's got good color options. You guys want to pick a color, but I went as green, as that's like one of my favorite colors. Now, it would be cool if it actually shows the color of the headset on the front, but they just go with their standard blue idea. So, let's see. It works on an Xbox One, Xbox One S, Xbox One X, a PS4, PS5 Pro, PS4 Slim, so it works on a lot of things. It works on the Nintendo Switch, mobile phones, iPads, and MP4 players. Pretty good. And also PC and notebook. Pretty good. And it also comes with a splitter cable. So that's pretty awesome. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this thing. So let's give this thing a go. Alright. Definitely pretty good. So here it comes in the box, straight out of the box. Comes this really nice bag with instructions and the splitter. Hey guys, see, we'll check out the instructions. Actually, we'll go ahead and check it out now. So, GH1 Pro Gaming Headset. Tons of different instructions. You guys see there, hopefully the camera picked it up. It does a bunch of other things. Definitely other stuff. The splitter actually goes for a headset and microphone as well. Kind of weird. Give it a go. And yeah, a bunch of other stuff, too. Pretty awesome. So yeah, the splitter is nice, pink, and I don't know, that's like pistachio green. I don't know my colors at all too well, especially like these random ones, of course, red, blue, green, all those cool colors. Yeah, the pink one's right there. And yeah, so we'll set that off to the side, but here is the headset itself. So we'll place the box down right here. And yeah, look at this. It comes in nice bubble wrap. We like that satisfying noise. Let's just get it by the mic. Okay, the satisfying part is done. It comes with the USB cable here. It comes with a nice little USB protector, which you guys can see that. I hope you guys can see that, actually. And nice green, black and green cabling. Comes with a microphone jack protector as well. Pretty nice. And the power switch, it got a nice mute button right there. And the volume, pretty good. Little bit bulky for the microphone mute and also volume, but that's fine. Now, take it out of the bubble wrap. We'll do it one more time. Okay, that's it. That's the best part about this. First impression of the headset looks pretty good. Oh yeah, this thing is okay, that's fine. And yeah, pretty good. It's got like a snake on the side. So now the microphone does go down. Let's see, what way is that going down? Let's see here. Okay, so it goes down this way. Pretty stiff control. That's pretty good. Like, the clicking is really, like, it's, you gotta put a little bit of force to do it. That's why I was actually afraid I would actually break it or going the wrong way. But yeah, that's pretty stiff. That's awesome. And now, look at that. Pretty flexible. As I've seen in the video, this guy is bending it all the way up. I don't want to test that. I don't want to break it. Yeah, pretty awesome. Pretty cool. Definitely, you know, nice extendable. So, first look on me. Let's get it a test. Honestly, it fits my very tiny head. Actually, I don't gotta actually do anything now. When I speak, guys, my voice is muffled. So imagine wearing, like these ear protection things. It's like that. Like, it's muffled. It's crazy. I can hear myself technically half of without these. Take them off. Yeah, my voice is definitely louder. Definitely muffled. And plus, it looks pretty good. I can't really see myself on the camera too well, so I'll have to take a look at it in the mirror. Comes with this little strap thing as well. So yeah, we're going to take this off, and I'm going to go ahead and actually plug this thing up on my computer. So, just to see the little glowy lights. We love them glowy lights, don't we? So I don't knock anything. So we'll just do this little turn thing here. And there we go. Much success. And look at that. Wow, this is awesome. And even like the little microphone thing on the side glows up. That's awesome. Gonna make that go down. So most of the microphone can go down about that much. Yeah, about that much. Pretty good. Pretty cool. Look at them lights. Those lights are awesome. It looks like you're literally about to take off. Like, it's really cool. Like, that's awesome. So we're actually going to go ahead and put this thing on with the microphone down and everything. I'll probably be using this in my live streaming so you guys can actually see me. So look at that. Looks pretty cool. I think this is pretty awesome. So yeah. We'll go ahead and I'm actually going to plug this thing up and test it out myself with audio. I'm going to go ahead and test it out in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, I am listening to a song right now, and it's actually really smooth. Like it's really smooth. Like, the audio is pretty good. It's actually pretty smooth. The bass sounds pretty good. This was pretty nice. Still, my voice is muffled, and you can hear like really good in-depth sound. It's pretty good. It may sound better than my other headset. I don't know for sure, but this thing's pretty cool. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and check this out on Amazon and see what you guys think. See you guys then. Alright guys, we are in Amazon now. The audio you are actually hearing now is actually the microphone audio. So yeah, let's do this. So yeah, I am in Amazon now. I searched up RGB green gaming headset, and this popped up. So yeah, it is a Parcrate 7.1 USB stereo gaming headset with microphone, LED lights, PC wired, over-ear headset for kids and adults, black and green. Yeah, it's $27, so we're kind of pushing it a little bit to the more expensive side, but still very affordable. So here's some of the pictures here. Pretty good. Pretty nice. See? Look at the picture. He's bending it all the way down. I think you would snap it for doing that. So I would not test it unless you guys are doing a video where like testing out products. I would go ahead and try that out. It's got 4.3 stars, so pretty good. 21,566 ratings. So yeah, pretty awesome. And it does have a coupon right now. Not sponsored by me, sadly. And yeah, here's some of the different colors. Yo, you gotta go here. Yeah, this one here, which is really the same thing. Oh, okay. Well, actually, no, guys. I actually bought this one, a $30 one, actually. Yeah, I was looking at this one. Same thing, but look, the whatever this thing is called, the microphone mute and also audio thing, pretty much thinner. I think it's about the same size, but this one's I'm pretty satisfied with. The same thing. Then we got a red one, which definitely has the bulkier side of that one. I don't know why I changed colors, but still a little bit more expensive color. And also blue as well. So you guys can have a slight little option. The brand is GH1. Brand Parcrate. I hope I'm saying that correctly. I don't know for sure. Wide and over ear. Now here's about this item. guys can go ahead and check that out. Pretty good. So yeah, guys, there's only 20 left in stock. That's still a lot. Alright, guys, now, my final thoughts now. These headsets are pretty good. Right now, I'm talking, and my voice is muffled, like I said earlier. So yeah, pretty good headset, I would say. Let's take it off real quick. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. It's got left, right, pretty nice. You guys can actually get like a nice close-up there. Actually, I'm stuck in my chair. I see it. Here we go. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It looks pretty good on me. Pretty awesome. It's really comfortable. Just look at this. That's pretty awesome right there. This is pretty good. Sound quality, like I said, is pretty cool. So yeah, guys, I would suggest buying this one. It's pretty awesome. It's got good reviews. Feels really nice. I think I should be able to, while I'm gaming, I should be able to hear things pretty well without any actual problem. So yeah. That does it. If you liked it, leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below any video ideas that you have and that you'd like to see in one of my videos. Thanks for watching. Peace out.